Okay, today we want to do an unboxing of this. I forget what I got, man. Let's have a look. So hard to open. You're welcome. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a warranty card. Yeah. Okay, what do I feel about the build quality? I feel that, well, it's quite good, it's quite strong. I don't think that this adapter will break anytime soon, so thumbs up. Let's try it out on my phone now. Oh, nice, very strong. Plugging my headphones on it. Very loud click. Very secure. You can hear the sound is very loud. Okay, it's great. Now let's try it out with a generic earpiece. Yeah, worked great too. But what I really want to try is the recording functions on with the mic of the earpiece to see how it really sounds like. Check, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, seems like it's recording quite well. So now we unplug it to hear the sound from the phone speaker. Check, test, 1, 2, 3, test, 1, 2, 3. Okay, seems like it's recording quite well. Okay, it works fine. So this is the ultimate test. This is a Boya BYMM1 microphone that I got some time ago. So yeah, just try it out with the adapter. This is not ASMR. No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Okay, so it's connected. Hello, test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Nope, I don't think it's working. There's nothing there. Nope, it's not playing at all. So yeah, all I could say is I don't know why it's not working with this mic, but it works fine with the normal earpiece and my headphones. So that's all I have to show you today. Goodbye.